How I Got My Husband, Fredrick Leonard to Marry Me, actress Peggy Ovire. Popular Nollywood actress, Peggy Ovire has shared the secret that made actor, Fredrick Leonard to marry her. The newlywed bride shared this recipe with a fan who was interested in knowing how she got her man. The female fan, identified as Amaka on Instagram, revealed that she had been crushing on Leonard. She inquired to know from Peggy how she managed to get Leonard and they got married. Even though you don't carry my crush, no problem. Make I go find another one. Peggy, what did you add in your stew? Amaka asked. In her one-word response to Amaka, Peggy said, patience. In related development, Peggy had stated confidently that her husband, Fredrick Leonard, does not womanize. The actress, who married over the weekend while sharing their unique love story and how they dated for 7 years before finally tying the knot, said her husband was faithful to their relationship throughout those years and pleaded for him not to change. She showered praise on her husband, describing him as a prayerful man, her best friend, true to his words, and someone who has proven his unwavering love for her time and time again. She described herself as lucky to be married to someone like him, and advised fellow ladies to be patient with their partners. I saw a man that is not a womanizer, and most importantly that's why I stayed for this long. Please don't change. Fredrick is one man that I can beat my chest on, despite what everybody is saying, that he doesn't womanize. I will love you, I will respect you. She said in part. Love is sweet, oh.